How to log in 9Anime account. So if you want to log in to 9Anime account, then first of all you need to open up your browser and then go for the search bar and search for 9Anime. Go for the first search, which is 9Anime website. Click on that and here it will take you to the 9Anime, right? So you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And now it will take you to the sign in or login page. So if you want to log in, then first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover it. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it. And after entering, if you want to stay signed in, then click here, which is remember me. And after entering your information, you can simply click on login. And after clicking on login, you will be logged into your 9Anime account. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.